Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Bobbi Brown Creamy Concealer Kit. And I'm using the shade Ivory, and this one is specially designed for the under eye area as it will help you to get rid of any grey or like dark spots under the eyes. And it also includes a powder which you can then use to set the concealer, as it has a creamy texture, which means that it's also a little bit more like willing to move around. Now, to make sure that you will get the best finish, I definitely would recommend you, especially if you are experiencing some dryness under the eyes, starting off with the right eye cream, as this will help you to moisturize, hydrate and plump the skin a bit more so that it's prepared for the under eye area if you're going to use the concealer on top. So it's similar if you would apply a good moisturizer before you're applying any BB cream or foundation on top. And so once you have applied the eye cream, you can start applying the concealer. And for that, I'm also going to use a flat concealer brush so that I really can grab the product on the brush and then apply it under the eyes. I'm going to start patting it right underneath the lashes, and where I definitely will see some darkness, towards the inner corner and right here. And then you can start patting it in with your finger so that you will get a natural finish. And because of the color and the shade of the concealer, it definitely will help you to brighten and get rid of any like dark areas under the eyes, so that you will definitely look a little bit more awake. And then once you're happy on how you blended it in with the finger, you're going to use a fluffy brush to really set the creamy concealer. And they also do include a yellowish powder so that it definitely will fit also with the color you just applied. And this way it will stay put all day long, it won't move around because you set it with powder, and it also gets rid of any darkness under your eyes, and it also will give you that brightening effect. Now, this was the video on how you can use the Bobbi Brown Creamy Concealer Kit. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!